Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show you how to create logos on Canva. Are you looking for a guide on how to create logos easily? Well, stay tuned because this video is for you. All right, so we are now in canva.com. You need to sign up. It's free. It's very easy to do. So do that before you continue with the guide. I'm going to give you like 10 seconds. All right. Now you're signed in. You're in the homepage, and you're gonna see on the left side it says Canva Pro. Canva Pro is the premium version of Canva, and it's very affordable. I highly recommend it. There's a lot of assets, a lot of templates that you can use for your brand, for your business, for your you being an entrepreneur. And one of the things that we are going to do today is create logos on Canva. So there are two types of logos. We type in logo here. Two main logos are logo, just logo, and animated logo, right? And then you have sub searches, which is clothing, gaming, technology. So let's just try logo first and see what we got. And as you can see over here, there are different logos you can use, and you can also create a blank logo. It's already fitted the right dimensions, but as you can see here, you have logos for clothing brands, modern vinyl, modern vintage. I mean, tech. This is a good one, but you're gonna see here if you click on something that has a crown, it's Canva Pro. You cannot use this template for free. You need to subscribe to Canva Pro to use this and to edit it to your own liking. So you see templates that has a crown on the like here lower right corner, small yellow crown. It's Canva Pro. If you hover it, it's going to say Pro. So you can't use that unless you're subscribed, which is again very affordable. There's a lot of things you can do here. So again, really good studio. So excuse me. As you can see here, a boutique brand. If you want to use this, just click on customize, right? And it's going to open a new tab. So if you want to, for example, you want to make this your own. Juliana's Boutique. How about let's use it. Let's do Joe's Barber Shop, right? And it's gonna do that there. There you go. Is it aligned? Let's see if it's aligned. It's aligned, all right. So if you're gonna use this, like for example, Joe's Barbershop, right? What are the colors of barbershop of the barbershop? We do white, red, and blue. So let's go white, red, yeah, let's go blue here. No. Let's go blue here, right? Let's go white for the B. Let's go red for the J. Right? Let's go white again for the Joes. Let's go red again for the barbershop. Now from what we had earlier, which is this one, Juliana's Boutique, we did Joe's Barbershop, right? So this is a pretty simple logo that you can already use for your barber shop. You know, like if you own a corner shop and you have like say two, three barbers or stylists, and you know you want a quick and easy logo that you can use and print out as your signage. As there you go, Joe's barbershop, right? But what if you want to choose another one, right? Let's choose another one. How we can use this? Let's see something that we can. Let's choose this one. It's a fashion boutique. Let's turn it into a denim store, right? It's already pretty much a denim store. So let's just do uh uh David's, right? Denim shop. There you go. And there you go, it's middle. Um and the thing is you can use this, you know, like maybe no, no. Let's choose a good color. Maybe this, right? It's David's Denims, right? David's Denim store. So you can do a lot of things. You can do a lot of things with this. With the default, the free ones. Uh, let's use another one as an example. Uh, um, let's use this one. Again, customize the template. Creative team, dream, imagination. So this is like a, I don't know, but we can use this as maybe an agency, right? Uh, I don't know, live form. There you go. Form a creative team. Maybe we use like maybe this, right? And then maybe we could use the color. There you go. No, the red is bad. Let's just maybe use this or this. Yeah, that looks good, right? That looks good. Bookworm creative team. Maybe you're an online digital marketing agency, and this is your brand. And as you can see, it looks cute. You know, it looks nice. It's very presentable, and it's unique. You know, so yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you create logos using Canva. So hope you like the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next one.